Hi everyone, Patrick and Julie here.
Let's watch another video.
If you have clothing in your closet that's making you feel fat, ugly, old, too skinny, not in shape, not good about yourself, it's a toxic bully. And whether you know it or not, that feeling of self-hate, that feeling that you're not good enough, that you're not pretty enough, that you are not anything enough, carries with you all day long. And we're letting our clothing do this to us. So we're making those decisions. It's yes, no. It's yes, I feel good. We put it back with it turned around. No, it makes me feel bad. We're tossing it on the bed. And this is so fast. And the thing I love most about this is we're not making a huge mess. We're going to deal with the clothing on the bed at the end. I'm going to show you how to deal with the toxic stuff. We don't have to get rid of it, but it's not going back in here. If you have clothing in your closet...
Okay, that is a good concept.
Yeah.
That is, yeah, when you look at things in your wardrobe and maybe you've put on a little weight since you've worn it, and you just keep looking at it, just keep reminding you, yeah, you need to go to the gym, or it's almost kind of saying, hey, Tubby.
Yeah. A constant reminder, because you go into your closet every day. So I really like the way that she put this together and said that. Like, if it's something that you really like and you're like, okay, maybe one day I'll get back into that, yeah, pack it away somewhere else. But that daily reminder every time you go into your closet, yeah, of like, man, 6 months ago I was lighter, I was a size down, or, oh, I lost too much weight. Now, like, favorite clothes don't fit anymore.
Breaking out the summer wardrobe from last year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a good idea, I think, to go through and, get that stuff out of your
Should you
space.
view them as bullies, though, or just like encouragement? Maybe skip seconds or go to the gym, or
That may be the case for some people. I don't know. Let us know in the comments. What do
Yeah.
you think?
Do you feel it's encouragement, or do you feel it's just a painful reminder?
Yeah.
All right.
Great. Look forward to hearing what you have to think. Bye, everyone.
Thanks for watching.